Eat your meal sitting down. Incorporating the mindful habit into your daily routine, such as sitting down while eating, and significantly enhance digestion, focus, and overall well-being. When you make the efforts to sit at the table instead of eating on go, your body naturally releases, empowering you to chew food properly and absorb nutrients more effectively. These simple practices not only help to prevent overeating but also promote healthier food choices. Step outside in nature. Taking time to go outside in nature each day is a powerful way to refresh your mind and body. Even a brief walk in fresh air can lower stress, lift your mood, and enhance focus during the day. By disconnecting from screens and being surrounded by greenery, sunlight, and natural sounds, you give your brain a chance to recharge and support better mental and physical health. Check emails less often. A healthier daily routine isn't just about physical habit, it also includes managing your digital life. Choosing to check emails less often can save valuable time, reduce stress, and increase productivity. Constantly refreshing your inbox creates unnecessary distraction and make it harder to focus on meaningful tasks. Instead, set specific time during the day to read and respond to email, allowing you to stay in control of your schedule. Express gratitude to those around you often. A powerful way to strengthen relationships and boost happiness is to express gratitude to those around you often. Making this a daily routine not only uplifts others but also helps to cultivate a positive mindset. Whether it's a simple thank you, a kind note, or acknowledging someone's effort, gratitude builds a stronger connection and reduces stress. By choosing to express gratitude to those around you often, you create a ripple effect of positivity that enriches your day and inspired kindness in return. Check your posture when you are sitting and standing. One of the simple yet most effective habits to add to your daily routine is to check your posture when you are sitting and standing. Good posture not only prevent back and neck pain but also improve the breathing, circulation, and confidence. Whether you are at a desk on your phone or working, being mindful of your posture help reduce long-term strain on your muscle and joints. By regularly reminding yourselves to check your posture when you are sitting and standing, you build healthier habits that support better energy levels, focus, and overall well-being throughout the day. Bring items in form of the car from returning home. A simple way to stay organized and reduce clutter is to bring items from the car when returning home. Making this part of your daily routine prevents bags, bottles, and personal belongings from filling up and turning your vehicle into the storage space. By taking a few moments to unload groceries, gym gear, or work essentials right away, you create a clearer environment both at home and in your car. Over time, the habit of bringing items in form of the car when returning home saves time, keeps you stress-free, and promotes a more organized lifestyle. Limit processed food. For better health and sustained energy, make it a priority to limit processed foods in your daily routine. Highly processed snacks and meals are often loaded with excessive sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats that can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and long-term health issues. By choosing whole foods such as fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, you fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Choosing to limit processed foods not only supports digestion and immunity but also help you feel more energized and focused throughout the day. Move your body even if it is a simple 15 minutes walk around the block. Regular movement boosts circulation, improves mood, and helps maintain a healthy weight. Even short bursts of activity like stretching, walking, or light exercise can break up long period of sitting and reduce stress. By making time to move your body every day, you feel more energized, focused, and productivity, while also supporting your long-term physical and mental health. Smile more. One of the easiest ways to improve your mood and brighten your day is to simply smile more. Smiling release feel good hormones, reduce stress and even boost your immune system. Beyond personal health benefits, smiling often helps you build a stronger connection by making you appear more approachable and positive. By choosing to smile more as part of your daily routine, you not only uplift your own mindset but also spread positivity to those around you. This small but powerful habit can transform your outlook and create a more enjoyable daily life. Do one load of laundry a day. A practical way to stay on the top of household chores is to do one load of laundry a day. Instead of letting clothes pile up into an overwhelming task, breaking it down into a smaller, manageable load saves time and stress. This daily routine keeps your home organized, ensures you always have clean clothes ready, and prevents laundry from becoming a weekend burden. By making it a habit of to do one load of laundry a day, you will create a consistent system that promotes cleanliness, order, and peace of mind in your everyday life. Involve your kids in an age-appropriate or routine. A great way to teach responsibility and build family teamwork is to involve your kids in an age-appropriate chore routine. Assigning the small menial tasks like setting the table, tidying toys, or helping fold laundry helps children develop life skill while contributing to the household. This daily routine keeps your home more organized and fosters independence, accountability, and sense of the accomplishments in your kids. By making it a habit to involve your kids in chorus, you create a positivity family environment where everyone participates and learns valuable routines that last a lifetime. In the next tutorial, I will bring you daily routine English tutorials. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.